Hi, welcome back. Today I'll show you two ways to view your Wi-Fi password on macOS. First, the fastest way. Click the Apple logo in the top left and open System Settings. Go to Wi-Fi. In the Known Networks section, click the More Options icon and choose Copy Password. This works only for networks that are still available. If you want passwords from older networks, use Method 2. Press Command Space and search for the app Passwords. If you don't see it, you're probably using an older macOS version. In that case, search for Keychain Access instead. These two apps look quite similar. Enter your Mac password to unlock the app. Here you'll see the Wi-Fi section, which stores all networks you've connected to. Use the search bar to find the network you want. Then, hover over the password field. The password will reveal itself. Right-click and choose Copy Password to copy it. If you work at a restaurant or coffee shop, you can click the Show button to display a QR code. Take a photo and print it. Your customers can scan the QR code on their phones to connect to your Wi-Fi instantly. These two methods make it super easy to find any Wi-Fi password, whether it's a current network or one you used before. Leave a like to support the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.